my name is Ratish Kumar. I'm from Bangalore, Karnataka. So we have a family business. We have a dealership, TVS dealership, and also we give service. I when I was surfing through Google, I found Car Cosmic and also few other car detailing academy. I found Car Cosmic very interesting because I watched few videos on YouTube. I found it very insightful, and then I made a decision to come here for the 6 days training, and I enjoyed the training thoroughly. Uh, Deshmukh sir, he has explained me each and every step. Uh, so once you get this training, you will be ready to open your own detailing shop. I mean the detailing studio, and also the staffs. Also, they were also very helpful. Their name is Hardik and also Rahul, and they both were helpful during the training, and I thoroughly enjoyed the training. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Stina Majo from Uncertified. So I came all the way from Uncertified to pursue my detailing training on car cosmetic, which I found on Google. First of all, my experience is very good. Firstly, is this looks at he taught us very precise way. He let us know in every details that was detailing is based on. After that, Hardik, I would like to thank and Rahul. They are very kind to us. They are very supportive and all. Whatever they assist us is very convenient. I'd like to say each and everyone over here is very supportive, even though their bills and all the way I came from the northeast, and I can easily certain here by their guidance and all. So I hope for a good future based on this family member. Thank you.
मेरा नाम और सुनवा है मैं हिमाचल प्रदेश का पहले से मैं कार से रनिंग कर रहा था तो मुझे डिटेलिंग करना था इसलिए मैं नेट में एक बार देखा तो वही कार उसमें करके नाम मिला तो वही सीखने आया है अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस रहा मुझे